Have you ever spent money on the best supplements, healthy food, shakes, but nothing seems to change in your body? It's not because the supplements don't work. It's because your cells have stopped listening. I've worked with people who eat clean, take high quality vitamins, even detox, and still struggle with fatigue, joint pain, weak immunity, or slow healing. They think something's wrong with them, but the truth is, their cells are switched off. Why? Chronic inflammation, stress hormones like cortisol, aging, and toxin buildup block cell receptors. So nutrients float in your bloodstream, but they don't get in. Let me share 3 tips. Fix the cellular switch. Tip number 1. Before nutrients can enter your cells, the cell membrane must be soft, flexible, and responsive. That means omega-3 fatty acids to repair the outer membrane, magnesium plus B vitamins to unlock receptor activity, antioxidants to reduce cell wall inflammation. Tip number 2. It's not your diet's fault. Most people blame the food or supplements, when the real issue is cell absorption. If your cells are shut, even the perfect protocol won't work. Once you restore communication, the body starts responding fast. Tip number 3. There is a way to reactivate them. There is a copper peptide in your body called GHKCU. It's like a signal that tells your cells to repair, open up, and start absorbing nutrients again. As we age, levels drop by 60%. But there's a natural way to elevate it again without drugs or injections. I'll show you how in my consultation. If you've tried everything and your body isn't changing, this is your missing link. I offer a free 30-minute health consultation where I assess your current block and show you how to reactivate the nutrient absorption naturally. The link is in the description below.